Hey, how you guys doing? So this is Neil, and it's time for another giveaway. So there's going to be two lucky winners in this video, in this giveaway. First place winner will choose whether or not they want these two dolls or whether or not they want these, because these kind of go together like a pair, or they want this one. This is $89 doll from 3dtotal.com. It is anatomically structured. You can see it has all the muscles, very, very great detail in the muscles too. Like you can really just really nice reference for muscles on that side, and this side is the skin side. So really cool. Kind of reminds you of Two-Face when you look at her face from Batman. Or is it going to focus? Anyway. And then these ones here are really good for like just doing quick poses. They're very flexible. They do the splits and all that kind of stuff. So these have a full metal structure, a full metal articulated skeleton structure inside of them. So oh, hey, by the way, please only enter the contest if you live in the United States, because I'm not going to ship this thing internationally or these dolls internationally. It'd just be way too expensive. For more expensive items I'm going to be giving away, like my Wacom Cintiq, that item is a $1,000 item. I don't mind spending 40 bucks to ship it internationally. So, but for other smaller giveaways, sorry, United States only. Sorry, I know, sucks, but United States only, so please only enter the contest if you're in the United States. All right, and no Alaska or Hawaii, because that costs me just as much to send as if I send it to Europe. So sorry again. Make sure it's the major states. If you know that your state's an expensive state to ship to, I think there might be another one too that's considered United States that's expensive to ship to. Then please don't enter the contest, because if I get that address, I'm like, ah, sorry, I have to go to the next person. All right, anyway, so here's what you do to enter. First thing, you have to leave a comment in the section below. So just leave a comment saying, I hope I win, or something like that. Just let you know, I want to enter the contest, and that way, if you don't leave a comment, you can't win, because I'm going to be using a website that brings up a random comment from the comment section of this video. And so yeah, that's how I'm going to choose a winner. Okay, that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is thumbs up the video, guys. That's awesome, you know, as a way to say thank you for, you know, opportunity to win. And then go ahead and share the video onto your favorite social media. So whether it's Facebook or Google, whatever, hit that share button and share it wherever you want, however, or just copy and paste the link, however you like to share. And then lastly, I'm going to have a link at the top. I'm going to pin a link, that my own post at the top of this video, and that's going to have the link to the Facebook page, to my Master Painting Now Facebook page. On that page, I'm going to have a post to this video, and it should be the top post there. I'm going to run this for probably about a week before I choose a winner, or I might, if I get a bunch of people like last time, I might go ahead and just do the giveaway within a couple days. So anyway, yeah, so that's how it's all going to work. So it's not a whole lot you have to do to enter, and yeah, just definitely make sure you also go to the Facebook page and go ahead and I would recommend subscribing, or it's not called subscribing, it's called follow. I recommend following that Facebook page, because oftentimes the YouTube here doesn't let you know. And so what happened last giveaway is a few people didn't get their brush pens because they never wrote me. You know, I announced the winners, and then they never wrote me and said, hey, blah, blah. And also it seems that people don't check their messages. So there was one person that I was going to send a water brush pen to, but he never got back to me. If you know who you are, I never did hear back from you. I messaged you on YouTube, and I was like, hey, I need your address, whatever, because you were at least available, you know, for a water brush pen. Okay, so I think Facebook is way better for that, because people see their messages and all that. So please do me a favor. If you want to win something and want to make sure, because you might win something and never get it because you didn't see the video update that was announcing the winners, that you were a winner. So please do me a favor, and when you go to the Facebook page, sign up for the Facebook page. All right. Okay. So, so sign up for the Facebook page, or whatever. Follow the Facebook page, and then that will allow you to see when I'll leave a comment announcing the winners on that video. So I'll leave a comment saying, hey, winners are being announced, and I'll post the next video on the same Facebook page for the winners, and then watch the video and see if you're a winner. And if you're a winner, then go ahead and message me on Facebook. That's where I recommend doing it. That way, you know for sure that you're going to see my message back when I message you back and say, okay, cool. but yeah, anyway, basically make sure that you live in the United States. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. I'm only going to be shipping these United States. It would cost way too much to ship this internationally. It costs more than I think what it's, I don't know, anyway, it costs a lot. It's a ridiculous amount to ship this thing. It hardly weighs anything, but just because of the size and stuff, anyway, shipping internationally is very expensive. So I'm sorry, international people. I don't know if I'll be doing much giveaways for international stuff, like really expensive stuff like the Wacom Cintiq. That's like $1,000 item. So something like that, I can spend $40 to ship $1,000 item. That's not a big deal. But for something like 89 bucks, I'm not going to spend 40 bucks to ship it. All right, so stay tuned for that. So if you are international and you still want a chance, stay tuned. Sign up to the channel if you haven't signed up already. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, because in the future, soon, I'll be giving away my Wacom Cintiq. And like I said, it's a $1,000 drawing tablet where you draw right on the screen. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. I still have one right here that I use. It's right here. Here's the one I use. This is the Wacom 13WX. This is what I draw with right here. You just draw right on the screen. It's pretty much the same size as this one here. And you just draw right on the screen. I like the smaller one, the smaller tablets personally. I've looked at, the bigger ones, the 21X, whatever they are. But I just find that I don't like doing big arm motions. I like everything it's like the size of a piece of paper. I like working on the size of a piece of paper. Even when I work on painting on canvases, I like painting on smaller canvases like this here. And by the way, I'll be doing a video with some oil tips. This is oil painting, and I'll be doing some oil painting tips here soon. Probably showing this when I do her face. Maybe I'll do some oil painting tips on that. If not, on something else. But either way, I'm going to be doing some tips when I do the sped up video of this. I have been recording it as I go along. The camera right now is kind of, I look kind of dark. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, that's all right though. Anyway, so I like working on, I think this is 11x14 canvas. I like working on smaller surfaces. It just makes it easier to, very, very, very cool for quick poses. You can, set up pretty much any pose you can imagine, and you can do it very, very quickly, unlike 3D programs. And they're about as accurate as far as like the skin twisting and stuff goes as a 3D program. There's some things that are not as accurate, but you're not really doing it for anatomy accuracy. You're doing it more for just what does the figure look like. You get a good idea of the form of the figure no matter what pose you put it in, and then you just have to know anatomy and kind of how it works and how the muscle looks when it's stretched versus down, things like that. All right, so let's get on to the giveaway. How do you enter this giveaway? Oh, by the way, these dolls, each one of these is $100. So, and I've hardly ever used them. I pretty much got them, tried them a couple times, see how they were, and I was like, cool. I like to buy a lot of stuff just to be able to give it away. So I like try it and then give it away. And some things I actually end up keeping when I really like it. If I really like it, then I usually I'll buy it again and then give that version away. So like Arteza pens, I really like them a lot. So anyway, by the way, congratulations to Yakov Slomo, who won the 96 Arteza pens in the last giveaway. Awesome. Hope you're enjoying them, and hope you figured out how to use that water brush and all that kind of stuff. And by the way, if you guys have recommendations of what you want to see in the next giveaway, you can leave that in the comments as well. Like, hey, I want to see such and such in the giveaway. Like, literally anything art related. I'm also going to be giving away other stuff non-art related, but I don't know if I'm going to do that on this channel, my other channel. Anyway, like I have a PS4 I'm be giving away. So it's the because I bought a PS4 Pro, and I really don't have any use for the PS4 anymore. It's just the regular PS4 version. So anyway, yeah, I'll be giving that away. It's pretty much brand spanking new. I've only used it for a short while. Then I was like, wait a minute, PS Pro, I got to get that. Anyway, so stay tuned for that too. I think I might do that in this channel. I'm not sure yet. Actually, to draw and stuff. So for me, I don't know. I just on big canvases, if I want to make a big line, I have to move a lot more. So anyway, and same thing goes with a bigger Cintiq. I noticed that the bigger tablets, my arm would get tired, whereas on the smaller tablet, my arm never gets tired. I can draw for hours and hours, and that's what I need to do because that's what I do for a living. All right, so. That's it. That's how you do. That's how you enter the contest. Everything else that you've been listening to is just me just talking right now. And so yeah, just maybe get a little bit to know about me and about the channel. I do all kinds of stuff on the channel. Check out some of my videos. If you're new here, I teach all kinds of stuff. I have over like 600 videos, so I recommend highly searching my channel if you're looking for a particular thing on to learn how to draw. So to do that, so by the way, what you want to do is after you subscribe, I highly recommend after you hit the subscribe button to the channel, is then going to the home page, clicking on my right below the link, right below this video you're watching, make it smaller so you can see the text and all that. click on my nickname, which is Learn to Draw. When you click on that, that'll take you to my channel's homepage. On the channel's homepage, after you subscribe, you'll see a little bell icon. Click on that and then choose notifications to get notified. That way you just make sure that you're notified of new videos. Or or also, but definitely for sure also follow the Facebook page, because I don't know, Facebook is just better at notifying people, I think. But if you're signed up to both, then you're pretty much guaranteed to know when the next video comes out. All right, so that's that. And then to search my channel, once you're on that channel homepage, if you click on the right next to About, there's a little search icon. So it has all the little things, right? Not the search icon on the top of YouTube, but the search icon on my actual channel. That allows you to search just my channel. And then you can type in like how to draw a face, something like that, and you'll see different videos of mine pop up on different subjects. Because there's a lot of videos there, so it's like you might want to search through them that way, rather than having to try to look through all the videos. It'll take you a long time to get through, search through 600 videos. But if you search it by or just face or hands, just like little words like that, then that'll narrow it down to videos that are probably mostly about just that. Okay, all right, so that's it, guys and females. Win something. So go ahead and comment below. You don't have to say why you want to win. That's optional. Just say, hey, I'm commenting to enter the contest. Whatever you want to leave a comment for, but at least just make sure that you mention something about that you're commenting to enter the contest. All right, and that's that. And I will see you guys soon. I'll have hopefully an actual drawing video here up soon, and also that in the next couple days to a week, I will have another video update showing you which one of you guys were the lucky winners of one of these awesome dolls. And I'm almost like not wanting to part with these ones. They're really cool. I mean, like, it's really cool to get a fast reference. Like, what does it look like if she's like kicking someone in the face, and bam, her arms are coming back like that, and this arm is coming down, boom, and she's like, ah, I gotta kick you in the face, boom. I don't know if you can see her right now, but it's like, pow. What does that look like? What does it look like if someone is boom, coming up at you like, I'm Supergirl, like, what does that look like from whatever view you want to, whatever angle you want to do it from. Anyway, so it's really cool to get really fast poses, and although that when she goes through different poses, like, her anatomy is not perfectly accurate. The knees are pretty accurate when they bend and things, but it's not as accurate as a real person's knee, and neither are 3D programs. So, but anyway, it's like, let me see, here's his knee right here. You can see that's not as accurate as real life, the muscles and everything. It's pretty close, but not quite. And like the inside of the knee is where you can really see the inaccuracies, as you can see there. But it's decently close. But it's not really used. You're not really doing it for anatomy. I mean, you get an idea of like where the muscle should be, and then you should know the proper shape of the muscles. Like, for example, if you have his abs here, for example, right? If he's bent back, like perspective-wise, what part of the chest are you going to see if he's bent back like this? Or if he's bent forward, how much are you not going to see of his abs, and how much are you going to see of his shoulders and his back muscles and his chest? What's that basic shape going to look like? And that's really good for that. So it's a really good reference. Like I said, I really thought about keeping these for that, because every once in a while I do like to look at something, like if I'm like having a hard time figuring out, I mainly draw from imagination. So, but if I'm having a hard time, like, what does it look like if someone's doing like this, and I can just quickly kind of bend the person over, bend his knee up like that, put his other leg back, and like, let's say I want to know what does someone look like if they're kind of like this from this particular, angle, and then they're kind of bending forward and their knees up like this, like, what would that look like? And this gives me a quick, on his knees or whatever, that gives me a quick glance, or I can, whatever angle I want to be at. And what if I have the light this way or that? I can light up with the quick lamp, and I'll have a good idea of what he looks like. Anyway, but I guess if I ever really miss him and I need him again, I can always buy him again, right? So it's not too big of a deal. But anyway, it's it's very rare running into those issues. I usually know what I need to do. And if I need a high level of realism anyway, and I need a reference, I'll probably just take a photo of myself or a photo of my wife. So it's not too big of a deal. All right, so that's it, guys, and everyone out there, females. I feel weird saying all right guys, like, you know, but I know generally use that term in general for everybody. But yeah, so all right, so what are you doing? Why are you still here watching the video? You gotta leave that comment and subscribe and thumbs up and go to the Facebook page and click on that link for the Facebook page and comment on the Facebook page. And after comment on the Facebook page, follow the Facebook page if you haven't already followed it yet. And that way you get a chance to win and see more cool videos in the future and have possible stuff or possible chances to win stuff in the future. Win, 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 woo! Yeah, a lot of winning in the future to come. A lot of cool stuff I'm going to give away. I'm giving away all kinds of stuff. I guess I got to hurry up and just give it away. And I'm going to be constantly buying more stuff to give away as well. So yeah, we got to get people out there that need that stuff to win, win, win. Oh, and so lastly, all right, so stay tuned for the winners here in a couple of days to a week. See you then.